have a massive quantity coming in, keep the lines moving efficiently for processing. Automated systems transport the fruits efficiently.
We remove any defective fruits to maintain quality.
Fruits are sorted based on size for uniform processing.
We wash the outer surface to remove dirt and dust.
This ensures complete cleaning before processing.
Sanitization removes bacteria and ensures safety.
Excess water is removed before cutting. The fruits are prepared for slicing.
Automated blades cut the fruits efficiently. We extract only the edible portion of the fruit.
แต่เป็นเพียงก่อนเอง The fruit is crushed into smooth pulp.
Juice is extracted using pressure systems. Filtration ensures smooth, clean juice.
The juice is cooled to preserve freshness.
We check taste, purity, and safety standards. This step ensures uniform flavor and texture.
The juice is packaged in clean containers. Each bottle is sealed to maintain quality. The final product is ready for distribution. All containers are sterilized to ensure hygiene.
Bottles are cooled before filling to maintain quality.
Precision alignment ensures accurate filling.
High-speed systems improve production efficiency.
Caps are placed immediately after filling. Proper sealing protects the juice from external factors. Each bottle receives important production information. Labels are applied quickly and accurately.
We ensure every bottle meets quality standards.
This system refines the juice to achieve premium clarity and purity.
Even the smallest particles are removed for smooth texture.
Removing oxygen helps preserve freshness and color.
We protect the natural red color of the juice.
This ensures consistent flavor in every bottle.
This process keeps nutrients while ensuring safety.
Essential nutrients are carefully maintained. Sensors monitor purity, color, and consistency continuously.
every stage is controlled for maximum efficiency.
Efficient systems move juice quickly without contamination.
Final filtration ensures top quality appearance.
The juice is stored safely before packaging.
Cleaning systems maintain hygiene standards.
All containers are disinfected before filling.
Precision filling prevents waste and ensures consistency.
Bubble-free filling improves quality and shelf life.
Sealing protects the juice from contamination.
Each product is properly identified and tracked.
Only perfect products pass this stage.
We ensure the taste meets high standards.
The final product is fresh and ready.
Pure, fresh watermelon juice.
High quality is visible in every drop.
The factory operates at large scale daily.
Cleanliness is maintained continuously.
Automation improves speed and accuracy.
And then proper storage preserves freshness.
Quality you can trust. Freshness delivered to consumers.
Innovation meets production.
As we close this chapter, I want to emphasize our commitment to innovation. This facility is a testament to what we can achieve together.